hey, make sure you buckle up and brace yourself for heart-pounding chases and plot twists that are more thrilling than the movies. If you want to feel like you're on a roller coaster without leaving your seat, then welcome to COPSCAM Police US. Now let's go. The chase erupted as the Scat Pack raced at 137 miles per hour, causing chaos as vehicles scrambled to avoid it. After losing a tire, the car became even more dangerous, forcing police from multiple directions to unite and subdue the driver. Despite enduring multiple PT and TVI maneuvers, the driver continued to flee recklessly. The car sped into a challenging area, escalating the tension, but police remained resolute. The Dodge Charger was cornered, forcing the driver to stop. A passenger tried to flee but was subdued along with a Glock and crucial evidence, ending the brief escape with severe consequences. The Dodge Magnum sped at over 100 miles per hour, ignoring all intervention efforts, including TVI maneuvers. Running red lights and barreling onto the highway, it turned the streets into a scene of extreme chaos and danger. The car crashed into a tree, ending the chaotic escape. The passenger was arrested on the spot while the driver fled. Police seized ecstasy and illegal evidence, launching an intense manhunt. The silver coupe sped past a school, weaving through crowded streets. Over a dozen patrol cars blocked intersections, but the suspect, with a damaged tire, raced onto the highway. After several minutes of pursuit, the suspect's car came to a stop. Police secured the scene and discovered a third person in the back seat, adding complexity to the situation. Fortunately, no one was injured. A report of a missing boy and a stolen SUV sparked the chase. The daring suspect switched vehicles, weaved dangerously, and ignored all attempts to stop, speeding straight into a crowded urban area. The chase reached its climax when the suspect caused a serious accident. Amid the chaotic scene, he abandoned the car and tried to flee on foot, but was quickly pursued and successfully subdued by police. The suspect sped off at 70 miles per hour, ignoring narrow roads and heavy traffic. He weaved recklessly, ran red lights, and drove against traffic, escalating the tension with every move.
Still on Bankhead, took the right at the Shell, so southeast, down Bankhead, back towards, I guess, Fraser. Speed, they're 80s, driving on the wrong side of the road, coming up Fraser. TVI.
Yeah.
In the end, a decisive Piet maneuver sent the car spinning to a stop. The suspect fled in desperation, but was swiftly captured after a daring escape attempt.
10-4, I'm right here on.
The chase erupted as the driver recklessly ran red lights and drove against traffic, plunging the streets into chaos. Police stayed resolute, pursuing relentlessly despite the dangers to stop the threat.
Back off a little bit. Successful pit. Copy, successful pit.
Despite the dangerous speed, a perfect pit maneuver sent the car spinning, crashing hard and coming to a stop. Was this daring escape attempt worth such an ending? The car ignored the stop order, crashed into a patrol vehicle, and sped off at high speed. When smoke rose from a malfunction, the driver and passenger fled through narrow alleys. Can they escape? Police quickly sealed off the area, blocking all escape routes and arresting both the driver and passenger at the intersection. The tense chase ended dramatically, with absolute safety ensured. The BMW raced down the highway at high speed, ignoring the relentless police pursuit. Weaving dangerously and narrowly avoiding a truck, how will this daring escape come to an end? The BMW lost control and crashed into a concrete barrier. Police subdued the suspect and discovered a hidden compartment containing illegal evidence. How many more charges will this uncover?